Hey y'all, I'm Kristen and this is Among the Markers, and today brings us to Fairfield Cemetery. And as you can see, this is kind of a lost and forgotten cemetery here in the Piney Woods, and we have quite a few to see. I think there's only about 27 or so graves here. Some are marked, some have stone, so let's take a look, y'all. I wish y'all could see this magnificent, what I think is a live oak tree. And I can't tell because, of course, it is fall, winter. It's winter here in Texas. So I can't tell if this thing is dead or alive. But out here, there's a lot of fallen trees, a lot of fallen limbs. And yeah, I mean, this is just glorious. I love it. So out here in this cemetery, there are headstones, but there are a lot of field stones indicating where these markers are. And unfortunately, this whole entire cemetery is just completely under the weather, as you can see behind me. It's very peaceful, but it is in complete disarray. And I think there is somebody that is trying to clear it up. It's beautiful though. There's so many fallen trees out here. It just sets a whole new scene for this cemetery. Well, that concludes this trip at Fairfield Cemetery. Thanks for coming along, and I hope you enjoyed this one.